Well, I'll show you guys the air conditioner at a golf course. Because this is actually a golf course. At a golf course. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. There it is. Carrier. This is slightly big. Look at this. Yeah, that's it. There are the lines back there. Lots of disconnect. Lots of disconnect. Because this is actually lots of disconnect. Slightly big. This is actually big. Because they like it big. They like it slightly big because this, I don't know what year it is. Yeah, this is a Carrier. Yeah, this is a. The building was built in 1995. So the air conditioner was installed in 1997. Slightly installed in 1997. Slightly a 3.5 ton. This is actually 3.5 tons. This is slightly big because this is a 3.5 ton. Well, my battery's low. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Over and out.